development sa Middle East, and hindi naman natin maiiwala yung fact na may mga engagements tayo with the Americans, but particularly in EDCA sites natin. Is there any fear at the moment na pwedeng tayo madamay din because of the American presence?
Wala. There has been no monitored credible threat against the Philippines. First and foremost, what is happening in the Middle East right now is a regional conflict. Iran has been attacking the Gulf states within the range of her missile capability, 2,000 kilometers. We are 7,500 kilometers away. So wala tayong threat. Maliban nun, wala na monitor na credible threat against us. Wala kang dahilan. They have no proxy, state or non-state actors in the Southeast Asian region that could be used as staging areas. So again, as mentioned by the Department of Defense and the headquarters of the AFP, there has been no monitored credible threat against the Philippines.
But
EDCA sites are sovereign facilities on Philippine country. They are not US bases. Just to put the record straight.
sir, what do we make though? Parang kumakalat parating sa social media, including by, I think, Representative Duterte even raised alarm over yung presence ng EDCA, connecting it to the conflict.
Let us be very clear, and we should be able to identify the issues on hand, so as not to be spreading information which are not verified, which could cause undue alarm sa ating mga kababayan. Again, EDCA sites are Philippine sovereign facilities on Philippine bases or areas in the country. They are not US bases. Secondly, there is no monitored credible threat against the Philippines or EDCA sites or any part of the country. Thirdly, capabilities of the IRGC, of the Iranian Revolutionary Guards Corps, is only within the Gulf states. Their longest range missile is the Khorramsar and the Sejil, if I'm not mistaken, with a range of around 2,000 to 2,500 kilometers, which will not even reach the US base in Diego Garcia in the Indian Ocean.
Sir, you spoke about FIMI kanina. Do we see this as early as now? Yung talking points nga nito, yung lumilitaw na discussion, connecting the Middle East conflict to EDCA sites. Is this an example of FIMI?
You have to be very careful because it might border on spreading the false narrative. Baka naman, umabot na naman ito sa usapin na pahihinain ang alliance between the US and the Philippines. Kung yun ang patutunguhan ng kwento, then it is foreign malign influence.
So sir, ano yung panawagan niyo sir sa mga parang alarmist nga po na nagpapakalat ng wrong information about EDCA? They should stop naman siguro. Dapat po, ano?
The message I mentioned is very clear. Number one, even the Department of Defense mentioned that there is no credible monitored threat from the IRGC to the Philippines. Number two, there are no proxy states, state or non-state actors of the IRGC of Iran in the Southeast Asian region that could be used as staging areas against the Philippines. Number three, their capabilities are only designed for the Gulf states. And lastly, EDCA sites are not US bases. The Supreme Court has ruled in 2016 that these are all legal, they are Philippine territory, so we should not give out the wrong information so as to cause undue alarm.